Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest's broken window. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest's broken window, you should just go to settings here. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop. Then we click storage. After that, we click here clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, you can go to this your Wi-Fi and you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.